Aero-Wrap Flex is below-knee compression, designed to be simple, comfortable, and easy to use every day. The Aero-Wrap Flex below-knee compression wrap provides consistent, adjustable compression to the calf and lower leg, and can be paired with the optional foot compression wrap for complete support from the knee down. Wear them together, or use the below-knee wrap on its own, whatever your day calls for. To get started, first apply your underliner. Your Aero-Wrap Flex includes a detachable undersock liner, but you can also use a liner of your choice, whatever feels most comfortable. You may find it easiest to bunch up the liner, then roll it on and up your leg. Pull the liner all the way up your leg toward your knee and smooth it out so it sits flat. Next, apply the foot wrap. Place your foot into the wrap with the seam positioned behind your ankle and your heel centered in the opening. Pull the first strap over and secure it, then bring the second strap over the same way. Now, position the below-knee wrap behind your leg. Start with the bottom strap, then continue upward and finish at the top, adjusting as needed so the wrap feels smooth with no folds or wrinkles and comfortable against your leg. It should feel supportive, but not uncomfortable or restrictive. With Aero-Wrap, you're in control of how your compression feels using AeroGauge. Turn the dial to your desired compression level. You'll feel a soft click when it's set. Before you inflate, make sure you're seated with your leg bent past 90 degrees and nothing pressing against the wrap, so the air can fully inflate around your leg. Remove the valve cap and insert the tip of the AeroGauge pump into the valve. Then apply slow, steady squeezes to inflate. About 10 to 15 pumps is a good place to start. The AeroGauge is designed with built-in safety valves to help keep you within your target range, preventing overcompression. Once inflated and your leg feels supported and secure, remove the pump. Your Aero-Wrap has a self-closing valve, so it seals on its own the moment you remove the pump. The short end of the valve cap is an optional dust cap. Attach it anytime to help keep the valve clean and protected. The longer end is inserted into the valve to release air and reduce compression. Use it whenever you need to let air out, including before you take the wrap off. As your swelling goes down through the day, you can re-inflate anytime to keep your compression effective. Just sit down, insert the pump, and add a few squeezes. Now, take a moment, stand up, move around, and get comfortable with how it feels. Lightweight, adjustable, and made for everyday wear. With Aero-Wrap, dependable compression goes wherever you go, helping you stay active, stay independent, and stay comfortable day after day. Aero-Wrap, compression therapy made for living.